Dr. Preeti Reddy. Can we please give a big round of applause? The Managing Director, Mallareddy Narayana Multi-Speciality Hospital, a visionary leader and educationist serving a Vice Chairman of Mallareddy and the Managing Director of Mallareddy Narayana Multi-Speciality Hospital. She has been instrumental in shaping healthcare, education and compassion and innovation. Beyond the leadership, she is dedicated doctor and yoga lover, homemaker, trained Bharatanatyam dancer and singer. She has proven free treatments to thousands of at Mallareddy hospitals. Thank you so much for being a part. Can we please give a big round of applause once again?
Well, thank you for the introduction and good evening everyone, all the respected dignitaries, the icons of the healthcare and beyond, all the other people who have come across from the healthcare background. I welcome you all and thank you, the Times Group, for recognizing the talent and giving me this award tonight. Of course, it's an honor for me and my family to receive this award. Now coming to our group of institutions, well, Mallareddy is quite a good name. it's quite a well-known name, but beyond that, we have this perfect ecosystem where education meets healthcare and healthcare meets technology. A combination of all three in one ecosystem is absolutely rare to be found in our city of Hyderabad. Well, as Sir has told about the challenges about medical education, Sir, I can assure you from our side that we are trying to do the best to face this challenge, and I can proudly say that today we are the topmost medical colleges in Telangana, not just because we provide infrastructure or equipments, it's because we have the best of the best faculty working absolutely full-timer in our campus. And most of them from government medical colleges, whoever have been retired, they come and join us, and it's absolute honor for me to receive them as our faculty. Beyond that, beyond just being a medical college, and we are also having dental, we are having institutions in dental, pharmaceutical sciences, nursing, agriculture, engineering. As I also talk about technology, we produce more than 15,000 computer science engineers per year in our campus. So that adds to a lot of technology, which includes AI/ML, that is artificial intelligence and machine learning, cybersecurity, data science, IoT, IT, and many more. Now coming finally to the healthcare, Mallareddy Narayana, of course, an affordable way of giving a quality healthcare system to our patients is our motto, and my entire team is over here. So thanks to all the doctors and my team who are doing a wonderful job. Now coming to education, the one thing which we recently initiated, running 3 universities in our campus. One out of it is Mallareddy Vishwavidyapeeth, and integrating technology, artificial intelligence in each and every sector of healthcare, whether it's medical, dental, pharmacy, nursing, including agriculture, and especially we are the first to start the School of Digital Health Sciences in the entire country. We have started BSc and MSc, a degree course in digital health, health informatics, health data analytics, which is absolutely rare to find because the country we do have postgraduate diplomas, but having a degree in BSc in digital health is what we need for the upcoming future. Well, integrating technology in every field is a challenge, but yes, challenge feels good, and we are able to do it well, and many more things to come up. So thank you so much for giving me this award, and I hope I continue doing the same. Thank you.